Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 6 and we are going to present our mathematics presentation too. First thing is the introduction of our team. My name is Muhammad Aris Mikhail Bashar Afzan. My matric number is 01DKM22F 1047. The second teammate is Muhammad Nabi Adam bin Azhar 01DKM22F 1048. Then Mishkai Najmi bin Ishaq 01DKM22F 1057. And Amma Aikaliham bin Zunika 01DKM22F 1051.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nabil Adam bin Azhar. My registration number is 10KM22F1048. I'm here to represent the role responsibility. For the proof checker ensures the accuracy and validity of mathematical proofs presented in presentation. They review the proof in advance, verify the logical step, and check for any errors or inconsistencies. The proof checker should have a strong background in mathematical reasoning and proof technique to ensure the mathematical rigor of the presentation. For the visual designer, the visual designer focus on creating visually engaging and clear presentation. They design slide, graphic, and other visual aids to support the presenter explanation. The visual designer should have a good sense of aesthetic and the proficient in using presentation software or graphic design tools to create visually appealing slides that enhance the audience understanding of the mathematical content. For the presenter is responsible for delivering the main content of the presentation. They explain mathematical concepts, theorems, and formulas, provide examples, and demonstrate problem-solving technique. The presenter should have a strong understanding of the material, be comfortable speaking in front of an audience, and possess good communication skills to effectively convey complex mathematical ideas. For the timekeeper keeps track of the presentation timing and ensure that the group adheres to the allocated time frame. They monitor the progress of the presentation, provide reminder to speaker to stay on schedule, and assist in managing the overall flow of the presentation. The timekeeper should have good time management skill and be able to coordinate with other team members to maintain a smooth and timely presentation.
The first thing I want to tell is introduction of integration. The calculus and its application heavily rely on the fundamental mathematical ideal of integration. Finding the antiderivative of a function enable us to compute the accumulated change, determine the area under a curve, and solve a variety of mathematical issues. The primary goal of integration is to evaluate definition or indefinite integrals determine the area bound by a curve between 2 points on x-axis, representing the accumulation of the function values of the interval. On the other hand, indefinite integrate provide a general expression for the antiderivative of function without a specific limit.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Danish Mikael Najmi bin Ishaq and my matrix number is 01DKM22F1057. The example of application of integration in real life. Calculating areas and volumes in a prominent example of how integration is used in everyday life. For instance, integration is used in architecture and construction to calculate the area of rooms or land parcels with irregular shapes. Integration can be used to determine the precise area bounded by these curves by modeling the shape as a curve or set of curves. The answer of the question 1, A, the coordinate of the intersection points A and B, substitute y equals to x plus 4 into equation y equals to x power of 2 plus 2x minus 2. X plus 4 equals to x power of 2 plus 2x minus 2. X power of 2 plus x minus 6 equals to 0. X minus 2, x plus 3 equals to 0, x equals to 2 and negative 3. When x equals to 2, y equals to 2 plus 4 equals to 6. When x equals to negative 3, y equals to negative 3 plus 4 equals to 1. Coordinate of the intersection point A and B is 2, 6 and negative 3, 1.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Amar Hikal Ilham bin Znika and my matrix number is 01DKM22F1051. I will be discussing about question B. The area bounded by a line y equals x plus 4 and a curve y equals x power of 2 plus 2x minus 2. A equals negative 2 per 3 minus 2 square per 2 plus 6 times 2 minus negative 3 per 3 minus negative 3 per 2 plus 6 times negative 3. The answer is 125 per 6 unit square at 20.833 unit square.
Right now, I will explain to you the summary of this presentation. Firstly, integration allowed for the computation of accumulation change or accumulation function. For example, finding the total distance traveled by an object with varying velocity or calculating the total amount of a substance in a chemical reaction over time. Second, in a probability theory and static, integration is used to calculate probabilities aspect values. Continuous probability distribute such as a normal distribution or exponential distribution can be characterized using integration. Integration also helps in finding moments, quantity and other static probabilities or random variable. And the third one is integration is utilized in optimizing problem, where the goal is to find the maximum and the minimum value of function. Techniques such as calculus of variation and the method of Lagrange multiplier involve the integration of certain function or expression to determine the extremal values. That's all that we can get from our presentation. That's all from us. Thanks for giving your time to listen to our video, and thank you.
I've been searching for this all my life.